Hi there, my name is Amy Haskell, and I'm here to share with you some of the reasons that I chose to join the inner circle in hopes that someone like you who perhaps has hopes and dreams of sharing your knowledge base with others can relate to some of the reasons that made me join and that are actually helping me thrive with my online course. So for years, I was a high school English teacher and I tutored kids with their writing. I realized the heavy demand there is these days with the college application essays. And I dreamed of how could I help more kids reduce pressure and write some of the best essays of their lives to try to increase their chances of college acceptance. But I was always scared of the technology, right? I had minimal technology background in being a teacher other than email and using some minimal social media. Well, let me tell you how much Kim and Lynn in the inner circle have helped push my technology knowledge forward and helped me create courses. So specifically, some ways I've benefited are learning how to best organize my content so that kids understand their writing lessons. So organizational skills, technology skills have improved like crazy. Kim and Lynn are awesome with inspiring us in the inner circle and helping us realize how difficult this is. But with a plan, with staying organized, and with exercising patience, really anything can be done. My results are actually fantastic. I have sold 15 courses. That means I've helped 15 college-bound seniors. I never thought I could do this, and my sales are pouring in. You want to help others through your knowledge by creating an effective online course. This is it for you. The inner circle is awesome because you also can communicate with other members. You can post questions, and they're always answered quickly and then some. So I strongly encourage you to go ahead and sign up. And I can't wait to meet you.